show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this wig. Yes, I said wig. This is another braided banger. Today's hair sponsor is Gorgius Hair. This is my second collaboration with Gorgius Hair, and today is a pretty different wig from the last time.
Hey, said I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money, she break grass real fast.
So guys, today's video is going to be a different style. My husband's going to be doing my voiceover. He decided the theme, so his theme is Olympic. I don't know what's going on, but enjoy the show. Let me know what you guys think of this style of video. Leave some comments if you'd like to see him do voiceover again for another install. Oh, and by the way, you guys, this is 100% authentic. My husband did not watch any of this footage prior to filming his voiceover, so it should be really fun. I hope you guys enjoy.
Okay, here we go. She's putting the wig onto the lemon. Flipping it over, adjusting the lace, making it tight. Okay, we're gonna cut the lace, adjust it by the ears. Very good. Okay, tie the top into a bun or something. Oh, and now we cut the lace, the frontal. Secure it. Adjustments. Okay, looking good. This might be a gold medal right here. More cutting of the lace. That means you didn't do a good enough job the first time, or it's just regular adjustments, standard. The sides, very important to adjust the sides. And now we're going to spray some spray onto the forehead, also known as a 5-head for some, or Rihanna gang gang. That's gang twice for those of you.
Get canceled.
Those of you who didn't hear the first gang. That's gang twice. Okay, now a little combage. Use the back of the comb because it's a fine tool. With a cheap blow dryer works, even though if you have a $500 one, you can use the Walmart one. That's fine. Now apply it very close to the temple. More spray if needed.
Oh my god, you guys, it's not straight. Is that a problem? Should we fix it? It's not straight.
Oh no, oh gosh, it seems as though it wasn't applied straight. Oh, there it goes, lifted. More spray. Now she might lose some points on this one. Very important to install it straight, so you don't need to make these adjustments and disbond the application you used to bond it in the first place. Yeah, doesn't make sense. Definitely lost some points on that. Okay, but it is repairable. Looks like she is on her way to salvaging this performance. Okay, same technique as before. Spray and heat to the temple. Make sure you get it inside your brain. Very close to the temple, yeah. Okay. She's moving incredibly fast. I've never seen anyone move this fast. This is actually phenomenal. If it wasn't for that hiccup earlier, this might have been a gold medal. We'll see. Remains to be seen. Okay, another tool. Looks like a toothbrush. Very good. Resourceful. Gang gang. A little snip snip. The fine-tuning of the front there is extraordinary. It's quite something. Tremendous. I think this woman will be a star. We have a star on our hands, ladies and gentlemen. Be aware, this is a face to watch. I mean, the forehead can't be missed, but watch the face. Okay, not sure what's going on here. This is okay. Oh, a little bit of blending. Looks like some blending. Okay, dab dab, blend blend, gang gang.
What is the blending?
Blending the frontal and the mid part. Now, but yes, keep blending. Very good. More makeup application to blend. Okay, now toss it like you a bad gal. Ladies and gentlemen, we are nearing the end of this performance. What a tremendous showing. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Look at this install. Beautiful hair. Gorgeous install. And Kaviar Kez looking phenomenal as usual. What a gem. Flawless victory. This is definitely a gold medal right here, ladies and gentlemen. Tremendous. What a star.
Say bye.
Goodbye.
So the last wig that I did was like a short curly wig, and this time this is a braided wig. Now I have done a wig like this before, but in I think the black color, but this is the T1B27. So that is the color code. It's giving Beyonce, it's giving like summer. Like I'm ready for it to be summer. Where I live right now, you guys, it's pretty warm. There's no snow, but I'm not really feeling the cold weather at night. It gets really chilly. So yeah, when the summer comes out, this wig is ready for her because it looks like you have a braided style without all the work, and that's exactly what this wig is about. It's about convenience and style at the same time. The style is called Goddess Box Braids, so that's the style of braided wig that I have on today. Now I gave you guys a few style options. I don't know if they were all lit as this, but this one is definitely my favorite look, so I wanted to come and talk and do the outro review with this style because I think this is the cutest. You can wear this wig down, you can wear it up, you can wear it in a bun, you can do so much with this wig. I do want to mention something that I noticed with this wig. I don't know if I just put it on incorrectly, but the ear tabs were not lining up with my ear tabs, and where they braided the wig, like where the braids are, you need to cut the tab so your ears can like be free and not be tucked under, but they place braids like pretty far down. If you cut that part to remove it, you're going to be cutting into the braid. I originally put the wig on not in the center, so you want to be careful when you're doing that. So I had to like lift it up. It might have looked crazy in the beginning and a lot going on, but the end result is what really matters to me, and I'm loving this end result. I'm loving this wig. Super cute, and it's actually really affordable. I love how the ends are curled. Really pretty style. The density on it is really nice. The braids are kind of hidden and tucked and stitched where it needs to be. So I'm going to show you guys the side profile, and then I'm going to show you the back. Now it might look a little crazy back there, but this is like more like an Instagram style. Now if I was going out, maybe I would make sure to, you know, style it better, but who knows, it might look really good back there. So this is the back. Okay, so we have basically a half up, half down style. So that's what the back looks like. I know you guys always ask what the back looks like. So this is what it looks like underneath as well. You really can't see the braids. They did a really good job of hiding the wefts. I think this wig is such a good find. I would say it's definitely one that I would recommend. So you guys check them out again. I love it, and I think you guys will too. For the price, you cannot go wrong. If you paid someone to do this, it would be way more than $150. So think about that. Like, you can reuse this style over and over. It definitely makes sense for that price. Let me know your guys' thoughts. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It's a really nice way of helping my channel out so I can continue to bring you guys good, affordable finds. Until next time, guys, bye.